Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, why take it this far?
What's up, guys? It's me, Josiah, on my nature ride. Guess that's what I should call it. And I'm having fun. About to do another minute math at this, I don't know, pond. Used to be whole flood, lake, I don't know. So anyways, today what we are going to be working on is simplifying math by rounding it to the nearest one. Aiden, stop trying to soak me with your running. Anyways, we exchange shirts. Oh. Oh man. Anyways, so yes. So what we're gonna do is just how we're gonna do it. We have 56 plus 24. So that sounds a little bit confusing when you try to add it up all in your head, right? Well, here's how we're gonna do it. So I had 56 and then 24. I took that 4. Ada, please stop trying to soak me. Anyway, so I took that 4 from the 24 and added it to 56, which made 60. Now I just have 20 to add to my 60, and then that would give me, let's see. Aiden, please, no. That'd give me 70. I mean, no, 80. There you go. No. Can't be 70. I was thinking of 50 plus 20. I was thinking of 50 plus 20, not 60 plus 20. Anyways, yeah, so 60 plus 20 would be 80. So that's pretty much it. That's the end of our math lesson for today. See you later. What's up, guys? And technically, I'm back here, and I came to tell you that I forgot to tell you that basically we're using what we know about tens to simplify the math, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, etc. Peace!